हाय स्टूडेंट। कल की क्लास में हमने देखा था कि हाउ कैन वी कैलकुलेट आवर मीडियन whenever we have given any continuous series। अगेन आज भी हम मीडियन के लिए मीडियंस के प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ ही बात करेंगे। कल के प्रॉब्लम्स हमने देखा था कि हमारी जो क्लास इंटरवल थी वो कंटिन्यूस थी। देन उससे पहले हमने जब मीन निकाले तो वहाँ पे हमने कुछ प्रॉब्लम देखे जहाँ पे हमारे पास फ्रीक्वेंसीज अननोन थी। देन हाउ कैन वी get frequencies when our mean given that. Then one of the question is arises here that is there is a problem like such type that in Asian median that there is a known frequency problem. Then yes, today we are going to discuss problems whenever we are going to find out our unknown frequency there when we have a given median there. Then before I am going to start with our problems with median there, look, first of all again going to revise with our median formula. Yesterday in class again how can we calculate our median? Our median is given by L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. What is our L? L is lower limit of median class. This is n by 2, half of the total frequency. Cf, it's our cumulative frequency of presiding to the median class. It is a total frequency of presiding class to the our median class. F is frequency of our median class and h is height of the class. Then this is our formula to calculate the median. And yesterday we have solved some problems which problems are directly based on our continuous series problems. Look, then we are going to today going to explain some problems whenever the given continuous series is discontinuous. Then how can we solve? How can we get our median? Then we start with a problem. Look, we have given a class intervals like that. Locate the median in the following distribution. It's a given monthly consumption of electricity in units. It's our class interval. Class interval is what? It's our monthly consumption of electricity in units. It's a given 65, 84, 85, 104, 105, 124, 125, 144, 145, 154, look, it's not a given one. It's a 164 given there. It's 164. Then 165, 184. Then 185. Look, we have a class interval like that. What do we have? We have it's a 65, 84, 85, 104, 105, 124, and 125, 144, 145, 164, 165, 184, 185, 204. And the numbers of consumers are given there. Number of consumers means we have a frequencies given there 4, 5, 13, 20, 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 7, 4, 14, 7, 4. Now we have frequency. Look, it's 84, 85, then 100, 105. It's a not a we have need a this is our class interval. Words are here. It's a discontinuous. Then first of all we have to be converting it into a continuous series. And how can we convert it in continuous? Look, to convert in continuous, what we do? Look, this is our 65, 84. The upper limit of this class interval is 84, and the next is lower limit is 85. Then we are going to take a difference of 85 to 84. What do we get? Yes, we get 1 there. Take the half of it, then we get 0.5. To make it continuous, Look, again, how can we make our class intervals continuous when we have given any discontinuous? Then to make continuous, what do you take? You have to take the two classes there. Take the upper limit of first class and lower limit of second class. Then take the difference of this 85 minus 34. After getting difference, divide by 2. Now we have a numerically 0.5. Then we are going to be subtract 0.5 from all lower limit and adding 0.5 to the all over upper limit there. Then now our class interval all it's converted to it's 64.5. We are going subtracting 0.5 from 65. Then 64.5 it's 84.5. Then 84.5 it's 104.5. 104.5 it's a 124.5, then a 124.5, 144.5, 144.5, 163.5, sorry it's a 164.5, 164.5, 184.5, 184.5, 204.5. Now look, we are converting our class interval to the now it's a continuous 84. Now our class interval it's continuous. Now look what I do. After converting our class interval to continuous series, then we are going to find out our cumulative frequencies. Again, how can we get? Return 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 13 22 plus 20 42 plus 14 56 plus 7 63 plus 4 67. Look, we get our cumulative frequencies. What is our cumulative frequencies? It's 4 9 22 42 56 63 and 67. Look, the last number is equal to our sum of the frequencies. Now we have n is 67 here. Then what about n by 2? It's a 236. Again 236. Now the value of n by 2 is 33.5. Now we have to check where our 33.5 lie. It's obviously lie in the class interval. We have to take also frequency there. Now we get our median class. Now look, we get here our median class. We have our median class. After getting median class, it's a 124.5 to 144.5. 20 is frequency there and CF is 42. Now again, what is our median formula there? It is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. This is our median formula to calculate our median. Is given by m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Then now look, we are going to put the values. L is our lower limit. Its lower limit is what? It's a 124.5 plus n by 2. It's a 33.5. We calculate it first off, and then cumulative frequencies again. We always take the preceding to our median class, which is our 22. Minus 22, frequency of the class is 20, and then height. Look, again we have to find out the height of the median class. What is the height of this median class? It's a 20 there. What is our median class height is? It's we have to take out the height of the median class. It's a 20 there. Then this 20 and 20 cancel out. Then we have 124.5 plus it's a 0.5, 33 minus 22, we get 11. Then it's a 125 plus 126, then 136. Then median for the given data is what? It's a 136. What is our median? It's a 136. Again, we have discussed the problem, which is based on what? It's based on it's asking about the median of having given it's a electricity unit is there. Then we have to find out the median, and then the median consumption of electricity is 136 units. Now look again, what the problem we have discussed today is that it's of the problem of whenever our given class interval is not in a continuous form, it's a discontinuous series, then what do you do? First of all, we are going to make it a continuous. How can we make it continuous? We are going to take up our any two class intervals there. Look, it's first of take the first class interval upper limit and second its lower limit. Take the difference of this, then we get 85 minus 84, 1, and then divided by 2, we get 0.5. To make it continuous, we are going to be subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and adding plus 0.5 to the upper limit. Then we have our class interval like 64.5 to 84.5, 84.5 to 104.5, 104.5 to 124.5, 124.5 to 144.5, and so on, and so on. Then we are getting our class, after getting the class interval here, then now look up. Then we have a frequencies 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 7 and 4. Then what do you do? Then we are going to find out our cumulative frequencies. What is our cumulative frequencies? How can we get our cumulative frequencies? Given by adding the frequencies up to the value 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 13, 22, 22 plus 20, 42, 42 plus 14, 56, 56 plus 7, 63, then 4, 67. Then we are going to find out our n by 2, it's a 33.5. Now we are going to check where our this 33.5 limit in the our cumulative frequencies. Then we see that it's lie in the CF42, that means is our median class, and the lower limit of median class is 124.5, frequency is 20. Then we are going to put in the all data in the our formula, where our median calculated by L plus n by 2 minus Cf by F. Putting the all values there, putting the values of L is what 124.5, n by 2 is 33.5, frequency of median class is 20, height of the median class is 20. Putting all values there, that after calculating we get our median is what 136. Now look again, I'm going to take another problem where our class intervals is a discontinuous. To explain you again, look again, I'm going to take again problem of discontinuous class intervals. What we have? We have a 118, 126, 118, 126, then 127 to 135, then 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 163 to 170, 1 and 172 to 180. Look, we have a given class interval is what? 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, 154 to 162, 171, 172 to 180. Now what is our frequencies? Number of leaves is given there. It's given the length of 14 leaves. It's given the length of 40. It's a total is 40 there. 40 leaves of a plants are measured to correct the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Then now number of leaves is what? 3, 5, 9, 12. 3, 5, 9, 12. Then 5, 4, 2. Again, now we have problem of where our class interval is discontinuous. Then what we have to do? We have to make it continuous. Look, our it's 126, it's 127, and 127 minus 126 is 1 divided by 2. We get now 0.5. Again we are going to what? We are going to subtracting 0.5 to the our lower limit and adding 0.5 to the our upper limit. Then look what we are going to take this. Then again I am going to explain you how can we whenever we have any class interval is discontinuous, then we are going to take the difference of lower to the upper sorry, it's a lower, then it's upper, difference is 1, dividing by here 2, then we get 0.5. Now subtracting 0.5 from 118, then what we have? We have 117.5 to 126.5. We have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit and we have to add 0.5 from in our upper limit. Then it's 127, sorry, it's 126.5 and then 135.5. 130 look it's a 130, we have to subtract 135.5, 144.5, 144.5, 153.5, 153.5, 162.5, 162.5, 171.5, 171.5, 180.5 and look we get our class intervals. Now it's our continuous class interval. It's run to 180.5. Now again we have frequency, then we have to find out cumulative frequencies. Again retain 3 plus 5, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29 plus 5, 34 plus 4, 38 plus 2, 40. Now we get our cumulative frequencies there. Now our n is what? 40. Then we have to find n by 2, then we get 20. Now our n by 2 is 20, then what we have to? We have to find out what? Our median class, we have to check where our 20 lies there. Obviously this 20 lies in the class having frequency 12, having class interval 144.5 to 153.5 and the cumulative frequency is 20. See, then now we get our median class. After getting median class, we have to use our formula. M is L plus n by 2 minus Cf into height. What is the value of lower limit? It's 144.5 plus n by 2. We have 20. Cumulative frequency. We have to take. Always remind that in median class, our Cf is what? It belongs to our preceding. It's a preceding median. It's a Cf of preceding to our median class. In our preceding CF it's 17 there, we take 17, then look, we have forgotten our f there, n by 2 minus CF by f into it. What is our f? Frequency is 12 and then height. What is the height of median class? 1.5, 53, 4, 10, it's a 9. Now look, we have put all the values there. Now look, we are going to calculate it. It's a 144.5 plus it's a 3, 20 minus 73, 12 into 9, then 3, 4, 12. Now we have 144.5 and 9 by 4. Obviously it's a 4 to 8 and again 4 to 8. Then 4 to 8, 4 2 point. Then it's a 2 0. It's a 2.25. Then what is the value we get? 146.75. 146.75. Look, all the values in given mm there. And our unit is what? It's a mm. Because our frequencies is number length is given in the mm there, millimeters. Then we have our median is what? 146.75 mm. Then now look, we have till now we have discussed two problems today, which are calculating our median classes, but our class intervals is discontinuous there. Then what do we do? First of all, whenever we have any class is our discontinuous, then first of all we are going to make it continuous. How can we make it continuous? We are going to take a difference of lower limit of second class to the upper limit of first class, then getting difference divided by 2. then what is the value we get? We are going to subtract in from lower limit and going to add it to our upper limit. Then our continuous class interval is given by 117.5, what is 26.5 and so on. Then we have a frequency, we make our class interval continuous, then going to find out CF. After getting CF, then last value gets our equal to the sum total of frequencies. Then we are going to divide it by n by 2. Then we are going to check where our this n by 2 lies. Then it lies in the class interval 144.5 to 143.5. Then our formula of median is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into height. Putting the value of L 144.5 and then plus n by 2, the value of n by 2 is 20, then CF is 12, sorry, CF is the preceding kinetic frequency 17 by 12 is frequency of our median class into height of median class is 9. Then after solving, we get this bracket value is 2.25 added to 144.5, then we get all the values is the median of this given problem is what? Given by 146.75 mm. Why use mm? Because it's given the length of 40 leaves of plants are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Then we have to write down our median as a median of the median, hence the median length of leaves is given by 146.75 mm. Now look, now we are going to discuss a problem whenever in last topic when we are going to get mean there, then mean we have solved some problems which having when our frequencies are unknown there. Again now we are going to think about it, if what we are able to find out unknown frequency in median, then yes, our answer is yes. We can also solve the problems where whenever we have their unknown frequency, whenever it's get our median there, then look, I want to take a problem where our one of the frequencies, one or two frequencies is unknown there, and a median is given there. Then let's I'm going to take find the missing frequencies in the following distribution. It is given that median of the distribution is rupees 41.50. Median of distribution is given 41.50, and the total number of persons is 100. Total number of persons is 100. Now we are given median. What is our median? Median is 41.50. Total numbers of persons is also giving there. It's 100. Then we have to find out our missing frequencies there. Now daily earnings in rupees is given in the class interval there. 10 to 20, 20 30, 30 40, 40 50, 50 60, 10 20, 20 30, 30 40, 40 50, 50 60, and last 60 70. And with the number of portions are given there 428. We take frequencies, number of portions 428, and there is missing frequency f1, 20 f2 16, 20 f2 16. Now look here, I am going to read again our problem. Find the missing frequencies in the following distribution. It is given that median of the distribution is rupees 4.50 and the total number of persons is 100. Look, it's a continuous interval, and we are not going to make it continuous because it's already continuous. Look, we have frequencies, then we are going to find out cumulative frequencies. It's a 4, it's a 32, then we get 32 plus f1, then 52 plus f1 here, 32 plus 20, then we get 52 plus f1 plus f2, then 68 plus f1 plus f2. Obviously this last value gives our n. What is our n? 68 plus f1 plus f2, and it's given total number of person 100 there, and 100 equal to 68 plus f1 plus f2, Then what is the value of f1 plus f2 from here? f1 plus f2 is given by 32. Now look, from given information we get our the sum of unknown frequencies is 32. Now we have sum of unknown frequencies is 32. Now look here, how can we find out where our light? You are going to think that we are going to half of n is 100 then 50. We have to check where our 50 lies. Obviously, if you are going to take where our 50 lies there, then we can't say about that 32 plus f1 because we don't know f1 there. Because to get our median class, till now we are going to find out the value of n by 2. But here, how can we get our median class? Yes, to the given value of median, it's 41.50. Now look, it's a 30 to 40, then our 41.50 never lies in this interval. It's obviously it's lying in the interval 40 to 50. Then from the given median value, we get our median class. Because in this problem, we have already given our median. Then we are going to check our median values. From median values, our median class is what? 40, 50. Then we get our median class there. After getting median class, now we have our median class. Now we are going to use our formula. Median is given by L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Look, m median is given there. It's a 41.50. What is the L? Value of L is what? Lower limit 40 because our median class is this. Plus n by 2. We are not going to getting the n by 2 from here because we have given n is 100, then n by 2 is obviously 50. We just write here 50 minus Cf. Look, for minus Cf we have to take this value. Preceding cumulative frequency is 32 plus f1. It's a minus there, then minus 32 minus f1 because we have a negative sign before 32 plus f1. And by f, what is our f value? Is 20 there, and then into height of our median class. Obviously, it's a 50 minus 40, 10. Now we are putting all the values there. Now we have to solve it because we put all values. What is our values? Median is given there 41.50. L is 40. Then n by 2 50. Then we have minus Cf, it's a 32 plus f1 minus 32 minus f1, then f is 20, and then now look, what is from here we are going to find the value of f1 there. First of all, what do we get here? 41.50 minus 40, what do we get? We get 1.50 is equal to look, it's a 10 and then 20, then 2. We have 50, what is difference of 15 minus 32? Obviously we get 18. 18 minus f1 upon 2, then multiply with 2, then what we get? 18 minus f1 is equal to 3. Then what is our f1? After solving it, we get the value of f1 is what? 15. Transpose our f1 there and right, then 18 minus is 15. Now we get the value of f1 is 15, but what we have? We have f1 plus f2 is 32. Then our f2 is what? 32 minus f1. f1 is 15. Then we get 17. The value of f2 is 17. Look, this is our problem, which where we have to find out our missing frequencies. Then how can we solve this type of problem? We have a class intervals. Put it our class intervals. We have given frequencies there. Then we are going to find out our cumulative frequency Cf 4 plus 20 and so on. It's given the total number of persons, means we have given n there 100, means this is our n. 68 plus f1 plus f2 is 100. Then we are going to solve. Then we get the sum of f1 plus f2 is 32. Then to get median class, we are going to check our median is given 41.50. Then obviously our median class is what? This 40 to 50. We get our median class. We get our median frequency. F is 20, L is 40, Cf is 32 plus f1 because we have to take Cf proceeding to our median class. We get our value of L 40, n by 2, since n is 100, so n by 2 is 50. Cf is 32 plus f1, frequency is 20, height of the given class is 10, putting all the values and solving, we get the value of f1 is 15. Then putting the value of f1 in the our equation 1, f1 plus f2 to 32, we get the value of our f2. Then we get our missing frequencies f1 and f2 is 15 and 17 respectively. Then look up now. It is enough for today class, and then please request to all of you solve our problems what I have discussed to you. Then anyone, all of you are facing any problems, then please ask me in my online classes. Then thanks to all.